In this tutorial video we will talk about how to install PHP on Windows. I already made a video on how to install Apache on Windows. We will use Apache and PHP in our next video for hosting phishing, HTML and PHP pages. But before start, click on subscribe button and press bell icon for more upcoming videos. Click on download. Now click Windows Download. Now download threat-safe zip file. Here is our downloaded file. Now, create a folder in C drive and name it PHP 7. Now, extract this downloaded file to PHP 7 folder. Here is your all extracted files. Now copy php.ini development file and paste in same folder. Now, rename this file to php.ini. Now, open this file and find extension. Here, just remove semicolon before extension dir. After remove semicolon, just save the file. Now, search for variables. Now, go to environment variables. Now, add path for PHP in both user and admin account. Click New to add new path in Path section. Copy your PHP 7 path first from C drive. Now, add path for your user account. Now, check your PHP working or not. In our next video, we will use PHP and Apache for hosting phishing page. Here is a small clip of phishing. This is my PHP and HTML files for phishing. This is only a test web page. We will make a complete web page in our next video. This is Facebook real website. And here is our ID and password. For next tutorial video, subscribe our channel. If you are facing any problem, please comment, and also comment for any suggestion.